Doing a quick vid on a little 2-tube box. Uses two 6LQ6s. Little black box that somebody gave me. It wasn't working right. It was cutting in and out, and we went in it right quick. And one of the first things we checked was all the power supply diodes, and two of them were shorted, or actually four. If you see over here on the left with those diodes, they use two in series and two in parallel, series parallel. I don't think it works that good with series parallel because the diodes don't equalize very well in parallel. But anyway, it had another set of that, two in parallel on this side, and they were blown. So I just replaced the, I guess those are 1 amps over here. It had them like that, all four, and I replaced them with two big old 10 amps over here. And other than that, it worked, so I didn't recap it or put bigger diodes over here or do anything else to it, because, you know, this little 2-tube junk box is working, and I didn't spend no time, and, you know, I'm not going to spend no money in it and all that, because I got bigger and better things to do. So if anybody wants this for fairly cheap, this little working 2-tube box, but consider it a test or project box or something like that. Uses two 6LQ6s, basic power on, standby, AM SSB delay. That's your tune cap, and that would be the load. And that's broken off a little bit, so you got to get some pliers or something to even tune that. And just a basic grounded grid amp. Two 6LQ6s over there. It uses a key-in tube. It's got a 6AQ5 key-in tube in the back, but since we got the cover on and it's live, we're not gonna do anything with that. It does about 40 watts average, might do 80 peak. So we're on the Mud Duck radio, 200 watt scale over there. Audio, well, we did mistune it because we've been messing around with it. Audio, that's average. And last week, and I put it on peak right quick. Audio. So that's gonna be it of this little 2-tube black chestnut grounded grid 6LQ6 junk box. Audio. That's it for this one. Bye.